So today I want to talk about something we get calls on all the time, and that's how to settle your property damage or your car claim. So I'd like to take 5 minutes and share with you 5 tips on how to maximize your property claim. All right, so our 5 tips I've written down here are going to start with number 1, and that's evidence. In order for the other insurance company to pay you on your car claim, you first have to prove that their insured or the other driver was at fault. So you have to gather evidence first to prove that the other driver was responsible for your car damage. And one of the most important things you can do is get a copy of the police report and show that the other driver was cited or given the traffic citation for being at fault. Another thing you can do is gather photos, witness statement, anything that you have to show that the other driver is responsible. So the second tip I'd share with you is insurance. Most folks know that you can go through the other party's insurance company to have your property damage taken care of. The problem with that, though, is it's usually you have to take what they accept, and it may take a long time. What most people don't know then is that you can actually go through your own insurance, your own auto insurance, to get your property damage fixed. Now, your response to that may be, well, why should I have to go through my insurance in order to get my property damage claim? Well, there's a couple reasons for that. 1, it's usually much faster. And 2, it's like getting a second opinion from another doctor. That other insurance company may give you a better offer on your vehicle than the other driver's insurance company. And so if it's not worth hassling with the other insurance company, just go through your own. Now, again, you may be worried, well, what if I have to pay a deductible? Well, you may have to pay a deductible, but what happens is your insurance company will actually reimburse you your deductible after they get back what they paid you from the other driver's insurance. So it actually is a really good option sometimes to go through the other drivers or through your insurance company in order to settle your property damage claim. So the third tip I'd share with you is to negotiate the fair market value of your vehicle. And that's really a matter of getting what the actual value of your vehicle is if it were sold in a public setting in good condition. And so the best way to do that actually is to go to Auto Trader, go to maybe Kelley Blue Book, or maybe even talk to some dealers in your area on what the same car would cost. The value is going to depend on the age, the make, and the model, and the general condition of your vehicle. So once you gather that information, you can go to Kelley Blue Book or Auto Trader, just gather data and share that with the other insurance company. What they're going to do is they're going to give you some data, what we call comparables on other vehicles that they have gathered. And so you want to respond to them with your own data based on what your same vehicle is selling for in your community. So the fourth tip then would be actually to choose your own shop when it comes to repairing your vehicle. Now that's something that a lot of people don't think about, but the problem with going with the insurance company's chosen repair shop or body shop is that very often those body shops are incentivized by the insurance company to turn your vehicle around quick and at a lowest cost they can possibly do it. So especially if you have a newer vehicle, suggest to the insurance company or go get a second opinion from maybe a new dealership or body shop that you know is going to work hard and do a complete job on your vehicle. Another thing you can ask for is to get OEM parts or original equipment manufacturer parts. Those are if you drive a Volkswagen, they'll give you Volkswagen parts. If you drive a Honda, they'll give you Honda parts. Sometimes the insurance companies, body shop companies will use parts from other vehicles that aren't the same make as yours. So you want to make sure you get the best parts available, and sometimes the best way to do that is to get your own body shop to do the work. And so I would say the fifth thing is to go ahead and negotiate a rental car while your car is being fixed or it's being replaced. Especially in most states like Georgia, the insurance company is responsible to have you in a rental car from the day of the impact and your car is damaged until they put you in a new vehicle or your car is repaired. Something similar to that is what we call diminished value or loss of diminished value. That's the idea that the insurance company has to pay you for the loss in value your car's incurred or the loss of value your car has just by virtue of being in a wreck. So sometimes when you go to buy a new vehicle, you order the Carfax report or you want to know if the car's been previously damaged. And the reason is because cars lose value just by virtue of being in a wreck. So that loss in value is another aspect the insurance company needs to pay you because because your vehicle has been in a car wreck. And finally, if you stuck with me this long, you deserve a bonus. The bonus tip is you actually don't need an attorney to go through this process. But if you do feel like you want an attorney, call our firm, 770-771-5130, and we'll help you in any way we can through this process without charge. So my name is Jordan Jewkes with the Jewkes firm. Again, call us at 770-771-5130. We're glad to help you any way we can.